Hi students, welcome to DOPA classes. Today I am going to give you some good information about water, a special feature of water. Generally, all of you know that when we increase the temperature of any substance, of course the volume get increased. But in case of water, there will be some feature. Okay, I will explain you. Look at here. Here, when we increase the temperature of water from 0 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius. 4 degrees Celsius. Here, when we increase the temperature of water, here what will happen that here the volume get decreased. So that's a special feature of water. Okay. So when we increase temperature from 0 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius, the volume get decreased. That means here at 4 degrees Celsius, the volume it should be minimum. The volume it should be minimum, and here at 4 degrees Celsius the water have the maximum density. Got it? Then beyond 4 degrees Celsius, then the normal case, beyond 4 degrees Celsius, here in this case, when temperature increases, which means after 4 degrees Celsius, when temperature increases, the volume also get increased. Got it? Clear? So let me explain once again. Here from 0 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius, here when temperature increases, the volume will get decreased, which means here the volume will contract. But beyond 4 degrees Celsius, then the temperature increases, the volume also get increased, which means the volume will expand. So this is a special feature of water. Ready? And when we draw the graph of volume and temperature, it's also very easy. Volume and temperature graph. Here the graph it should be like this. Look at here. It should be like this. Okay. And here the volume will be minimum at 4 degrees Celsius. Ready? And when we draw the graph between the density and temperature, here the graph should be like this. Look at here, like this. Okay, so in this case the density should be maximum at 4 degrees Celsius. Ready? Clear? So this is the special feature of water. Thank you.
Hi all, you are watching a DOPA Capsule class now. To know more about DOPA and DOPA Capsule, download DOPA app and contact us using this number.